Hello traders, we're back again to another episode of supply and demand. As you all know, I'm a big fan of supply and demand. I'm a very big fan of supply and demand. Welcome to the world of economics, where the force of supply and demand shape the market and drive the economics. In this video, we'll be covering the fundamental concept of supply and demand and how they interact to determine price and quantities in the market. So if you can take time to understand supply and demand, you can navigate and explore around the financial market without any stress. Stress free. So in this video, we talk about supply and demand. So let's dive to the chart direct. This is the trade I took KCNI on Litecoin USD using my top-notch supply and demand strategy with multiple time frame analysis and liquidity concept. In this scenario, we can see that Litecoin daily is bullish, but it's had a major reaction within an untested supply zone. You can see the supply zone is a massive one. So we might be having a pullback anytime soon. We might be having a late pullback before going up. Yeah, so let's get down to a lower time frame. But I first mark out my high of the day and low of the day anytime I hop on the chart to keep my chart clear. Then I hop on the 1 hour time frame to see more details about the market. As we can see, we had a major break of structure to the upside, indicating a bullish trend. You can see this is a break of structure, pullback, break of structure. So we're expecting a pullback anytime. We already on the pullback, so we switch down to 15 minutes time frame. We can see a clear break of structure, but this uptrend tapped into a high time frame supply zone, as we said before. That's why it had this reaction and took out the sell side liquidity before pulling down, and the market closed below it, the leg that caused the liquidity. It closed, the market went down and closed below it, indicating a market structure shift, telling us we are about to go bearish. So let's mark it out. This is a place that market closed below it. So I'm expecting this to happen. I'm expecting a pullback to happen so we can join the ride to the nearest demand area. So I'm expecting this to happen. So I bring out my fib. I use my fib to know where the market might revise. I personally use 78 area. That's my best area. I love it. Also my discount area, it tells me where the market might reverse. It also helps find out liquidity for my own understanding. So I'm expecting this to happen so we can join the ride. I'm expecting this to happen. I marked out my area, 78 area. I marked it down. Delete my fib. Yeah. Switch down to the 5 minutes time frame for more clear details. As we can see, I'm seeing a clear flip zone, a demand that turned into a supply flip zone. If you know what a flip zone, if you don't know what a flip zone is, a flip zone is a zone that For example, this supply zone, this a demand zone, this came down to the demand zone and they respect it, it broke it and went down and closed below it. So but this, in this scenario, I'm seeing this as a trap. I'm seeing this zone as a trap because the institution knows that people are willing to sell at this area. So I'm not following the crowd. Based on my take profit area, I use fib extension. I'm sorry I didn't show you guys this is a live chart, so I was in a hurry so I can place my trade. So check my previous videos to check and learn how I do take my profit. So after drawing it, I'm at my recent from the place the market pullback to my 68 area. That's my fib. So I'm at that. Then I place my sell limit, place my sell order above the flip zone, knowing I know that flip zone is a trap. So I'm expecting market to take it out before going my way. So I'm expecting this to happen, to take it out, move my way. Yeah. I put my SL above the high. At the high, and my TP down my fib extension area. So I'm expecting a downward movement. I'm expecting a downward. Tap does in already. I came back to my chart. We're already in the market. So I'm expecting a pull down. Supply and demand is the best strategy you can have out there. There are a lot of strategy, but I'll pick out supply and demand. So I'm expecting any of this to happen whenever I take my profit, but I'm not going for the buy. I'm only interested on the sell side. It's almost midnight over here in Nigeria, 12. So I won't be watching my trade. I have to sleep. Almost going away already. We're expecting more deep. Supply and demand, liquidity concept, already going away. If you can master supply and demand, liquidity concept, you are good over good. Boom. I woke up, took my profit, went straight to my first take profit point of interest. Went back ASAP. Change in supply and demand can cause shift in the cost, leading to change in price and quantity. For example, an increase in demand can cause the demand curve to shift to the right, leading to higher price and quantity. On the other hand, an increase in supply can cause the supply curve to shift to the right, leading to lower price and quantity. In conclusion, the force of supply and demand are the driving force behind the market. Understanding how they interact is crucial for making informed decisions in business and economics, more especially financial market. Although we all use supply and demand in our daily basis. We buy and sell goods, products, services. Supply and demand is crucial. Supply and demand is, it's a basic thing we do every time, every single day, every single time in our life. Thank you for watching. If you have any question or comment, please leave them in the section below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Drop the topics you want me to cover up in my upcoming videos. Follow my Instagram,